birthday ng aming Daddy Ariel. So, magse-celebrate tayo ngayon. So, nagpaluto kami and just a simple celebration to celebrate his birthday today. So, let's go guys. Let's eat! At ayun na nga guys, ang bisita lang namin ay yung kapitbahay namin dito sa katabi naming bahay. So ayan si Kuya Aiki and then si Kuya Jibion. So kami-kami lang naman dito.
Okay ha. So we will blow the candle after singing ha. Okay, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Blow the candle.
Oh, you blow.
Mama will help you. Hey, Mama.
Ayaw ang mag-blow. 1, 2, blow.
Yay!
Happy birthday! Oh, picture mo tayo.
Go back there.
Na tayo.
Tawa ka. Saya mo ah. What will you say to your tito?
What will you say to Tito? Ariel.
Happy birthday, tito.
Happy birthday.
Wait, bigay ko sa kanya ito kumakain ito dyan.
Thank you.
Bigay ko sa kanya ito
Mini chocolate.
Nakulukat pero.
Say mini chocolate.
Mini chocolate.
Please. Next year.
Oh, bukain lang ako. Kaya naman siya. Okay.
Paano lang siya?
Paano lang ako.
Happy birthday to you. Ay, wow! Birthday luto. Wait.
Oh my.
This is
Oh
what
my
the
God.
kids
Kaya
eat.
pa ako makain.
What can you say about the opening of the business?
We're ready.
Uy! Inuupuan na.
Parang sexy na.
Ayun yung mga bisita.
Mommy likes.
Bisita ng daddy.
Mommy likes.
Yan na. Yan na oh. Yan na.
They made it for content and just wasted it.
Ganun man. Kasi ano na sila eh. Meron na silang si Nikki. Vlad and Nikki.
Ay, ang laki na nila.
Malaki na nila ngayon. Mas malaki na sila ngayon.
Mommy likes.
Ha?
Likes.
You're eating. Later na ang slime.
No likes.
You stop eating na? Are you full na? Full? Are you sure? Wala na yung slime. Baby, no. What are you doing? Huh? You might hurt baby, ah?
Yung ano ni Kuya Paborito niya, yung pala yung sa paa. Gusto niya ang nag-iisa.
Yun dito nga, oh. Gusto niya hawak-hawakan. Sabi, bakit kaya ito mabalahibo? Monkey ba itong monkey?
Kunin mo daw sa ilalim.
Sabi niya no eh. Bakit? Ano? Ano ba yun, Mama? Binigyan mo pa ako ng trabaho?
Sino?
Paano mo makukuha yun?
Ah, you say what to baby? Wa. Don't touch lang, ah. Baby, gawin. Say, wa, bulaga. Bula. Oh, don't carry. Just say bulaga. Just say bulaga. Oo. Baby Mike pala. Just touch lang, ha? Touch lang. Oo. Slowly, ah.